Hi everyone, Carol R here from Tablescapes by Carol R. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Valentine's Day and this is my table. My runner is a scarf that I had. It's velvet with little crystals in it, and I've had this scarf for about 30 years, and I figured I could use it as a table runner. It is really pretty. My placemats are from Amazon, and they're gold and black, and as you can see, my color scheme is yellow, black with a little gold. My plates were thrifted from Goodwill. My napkins came from Tablecloth Factory and Amazon. I want to wish everyone a very happy Valentine's Day. My black plates are from Dollar Tree. My silverware, black and gold, I got as a gift from Glamour Ellen. She sent them to me a little while ago. I thought that was very sweet of her. Hey Ellen, thank you for the silverware. The hearts were DIY'd by my grandson Eric. So I want to say thank you to Eric for making the hearts for my plates. I think they came out really good. My napkin rings also were a gift from Glamour Ellen. My yellow napkin was, I do believe, Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. I want to say thank you for everyone for watching today. The cup is also part of the set from Goodwill. I really do appreciate you coming back and watching my video. My black goblets are from the Dollar Tree, and my crystal goblets I've had for a long time. And I thought I would break them out. You've seen them before in other videos. And this is my Valentine's table for 2024. I hope that you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all my subscribers and all the new people that have come on board. And for those of you that are new, I hope you'll stick around and join my channel. Tablescapes by Carol R. Thank you so very much for being a part of my Valentine's video. And as you can see, it's a non-traditional Valentine's video. And I hope you like it. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.